Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapie Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngoSibongile and the Dlaminis. If you were thinking ngoba uSibongile cishe bambamba on the previous episode, so ucabanga ukuthi uzotshela ukwenza iqiniso noma ke uzophumela obala ngokuthi akakhulelwe, khohlwa ke njengesidomo esikoleni. Ama writers asazostreka le storyline until season 2, which is very boring, especially kithi ke njengababukeli ke beumdlalo. Abanye ke baze bathi ama writers they must watch iTV soapies babone ukuthi ke how short they take to reveal ama secret. Babuke iskandal, babuke iskandal, basibebuka nelokhunjana ne smoke and mirrors, babone ukuthi imfihlo zishesha kanjani ukuvela uma ngabe ke kubhalwa ke istory, because lesabo they take isikhathi eside kakhulu and kuze kube ukuthi ke istory sesiyabhora, abantu bagcina bengasasibuki njengoba ngezwe abanye sebethi nje cha mina I'm going to watch iQueendom or ngiyobuka ke ezinye istory lapha ku eTV edlala ngawe ke 6:30. So guys, angazi ke noma unomfundo ubone kahle yini, kodwa ke uNomalanga uzoqhamuka namaqhinga aqhubeke axoxe aqambe amanga, bathi ke show be moody, agcine ke sedecide nokuthi ufuna ukumshiya ukwenzo, show share her plans with ugcina ukuthi ke how she will handle this fake pregnancy story. Emva kwalokho ke sizwa kuthiwa ke ukwenza will do something to disappoint uNomalanga engazelele, mhlambe ke uzothi uyahamba athi ukwenza hamba vele yabo. Mind you guys, ukwenzo is not allowed to sleep or touch uNomalanga ke eswini. Into enjani ke leyo guys, into enjani leyo ngampela? I think maybe she'll come up with a miscarriage, I don't know, like I don't know guys, but hey, yeah, isitori sake sazodraga ngampela. And from last khona guys sesiya ku season 2 uzoqala ke ngoJuly, which I think maybe they'll come with the fresh ideas. And yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion about the storyline Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Bye.